Someone out there is preparing for the greatest comeback of their life right now. After all the heartbreak, after all the failures, after all the times people walked over you, dismissed you, betrayed you, doubted you, after all those voices saying it won't work out, you're fooling yourself. It's time to show them exactly who you are. Show them the results they said you'd never achieve. Come back stronger, fiercer, more focused than you've ever been. Kill the doubting voice and let the warrior emerge. The champion has returned. I'm back. I want them to say about me that I never quit. No matter what the odds look like, no matter the circumstances stacked against me, no matter the situation I found myself in, no matter who stood against me or beside me, I showed up every single time. I showed up. Let me be crystal clear about something. I will never give up. Never. That's not even in my vocabulary anymore. People tried to tear me down. They said I'd never get back up, never recover, never achieve what I set out to do. And you know what I did? I took every single negative comment, every doubt, every dismissal, and I used it as fuel. I played it on repeat in my mind until it motivated me instead of hurt me. I woke up energized by their doubt. And now I'm proving every one of them wrong. One day at a time. No retreat, no surrender. That's the law of champions. And by that law, we will stand and fight. A new chapter has begun. A chapter of freedom, of power, of taking back what's yours. And everyone will know that I gave everything I had to defend your dreams. This time when I bounce back, I'm not bouncing back from a loss. I'm bouncing back from a lesson. So trust me, I'm gonna show no mercy to mediocrity. This is my legacy. I need you to get yourself back together. Listen to me carefully. I need you to pull yourself together. I don't care what he did, what she did, what they did to you. Get yourself back together. Your comeback depends on it. They think you're soft. They think you're weak. They don't respect you anymore. You're the one they point at and laugh about behind your back. And it's been like this for too long. It's time to flip that switch inside you. You have two choices in this life. You can accept the cards you've been dealt and let life beat you down into submission. Or you can dig your heels in deep and fight back with everything you have. I just want one thing from you. Never allow life to make you forget why you do what you do. There are people willing to go far, and then there are people willing to go even further than them. By simply going through the motions when you don't feel like it, you overcome that resistance and stay on the righteous path, the disciplined path, the warrior's path, which is exactly where you know you belong. You have to be willing to outwork everyone. That's the hard part. This isn't some 5-step process where if you follow these steps, you magically end up in a perfect life. No, I'm teaching you how to toughen up your victim mentality, how to replace it with a warrior mentality. Have no doubt in my mind that I will be the greatest. In my head, I'm already better than everyone. I know there will be hate from people, but I know the truth and I will prove it. Give me time and I will prove it to everybody who doubted me. We have to break the barriers within our minds. It starts with yourself. You have to break down the barriers within and just go there. You have to go deep within yourself. The bad days create the story you'll one day tell about what you overcame. Without the bad days, the story would be born. There would be no glory in overcoming anything, because what would you have overcome? Just a bland, comfortable existence. You're going to have to go through challenges worse than any nightmare you've dreamed. But in the end, I know you'll be the one standing. The comeback starts now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now rise up and show the world exactly who you are.